How to buy USDT on Binance. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Wallets. Next, find the Buy button and tap on it. Now, you'll see an option that says Buy with PHP. Tap on that. Then, enter the amount of money you want to spend, and the app will show you how much USDT you'll get. After entering the amount, go ahead and tap on Buy. Then select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You'll need to choose how you want to pay. Tap on Pay With, and for this example, let's choose Card. Once you select Card, tap on Confirm. If you haven't added a card before, you'll need to do that now. Tap on Add New Card, and fill in your card details like the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Once you've done that, tap on Confirm. Follow the final prompts that the app gives you to finish your purchase. Once you're done, the USDT you bought will show up in your Binance wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully bought USDT on Binance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to follow crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.